Towards your living and dining area, the spacious one, you can check out this. So once you enter into the kitchen area, you can check out the beautiful room. You can check out the huge bed space. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Alchemy Alizad, which is located in Electronic City, a project by Arath. And today we are here to check out the 3 BHK model flat. Now before moving further, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So I'm standing just in the front of the marketing office. This is the marketing office and about the towers. That is the land parcel. So these are the 2 towers under construction on the land parcel. Now, let me introduce you with Housey. So, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So, book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview with the help of this miniature. So this project is being constructed on total 4 acre of land parcel with 2 residential towers, with each tower of basement, ground plus 17 floors having 1.5 BHK, 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now about the amenities part. So this project provides you 40 plus luxurious amenities like of, you can check out here's the swimming pool, the basketball court, kids play area, lily pond, multi-purpose court and many more. Now let's discuss the location part. So this project is exactly located on Shikari Palya in Bommasandra Electronic City, and now let me tell you that this road is the Shikari Palya road. And this road will take you towards the Electronic City Phase 1. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project. Tech Park is just 5 minutes away from the location. Niladri Road is 5 minutes away. Electronic City flyover is 10 minutes away from the location. Nice Ring Road is also 10 minutes away and Electronic City Metro Station is also 10 minutes away from the location of the project. Now we are here to check out the 3 BHK model flat of 1342 square feet super built up areas. But before, let me show you the video door phone and the digital door lock. And this is the main entrance, and once you enter from this lobby space, you will be entering towards your living and dining area, the spacious one. You can check out this beautiful interior work done over here with the sofa set placed in front of the TV unit over here. This is the dining area, and now let me show you the balcony. So this is the beautiful balcony with 3 side covered anti-skid tiles and the toughened glass railing as well. And the beautiful this decor part, you can even add up a decor part or else the devghar over here. This is your dining area where you can set your dining table, the huge dining space. Now we'll be moving further towards your kitchen area, so just follow me. Here is your kitchen area. So once you enter into the kitchen area, you can check out the beautiful work done with the platforms, the cabinets, the sink over here. Additionally, into the kitchen area, they have provided with a window. Now let's move further towards your bedroom spaces. So over this side is your bedroom number 1. So let me show you the bedroom. Once you enter this bedroom, you can check out the huge bed space and the window over here. So this is the window and the wardrobe space. So this is the wardrobe space. And now let's move towards the further second bedroom. But before moving to second bedroom, here exactly beside this bedroom is your washroom, the common washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Here comes your bedroom number 2. So this is the beautiful bedroom. You can check out the bed space, the study table that they have added up with a window and the wardrobe space as well. Now let's move towards your master bedroom. But before moving towards your master bedroom, let me tell you what all features Housey is here with. So Housey is here with the actual location tour, with the sample flight videos, with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering on Housey.com. Now about the master bedroom. So this side is the master bedroom. Exactly beside this bedroom, once you enter, you can check out the wooden finishing flooring, the wardrobe space, the bed space over here. Exactly in the front of the bed space, they have added up a TV unit and the washroom over this side. So this is the washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings inside the washroom. This is the wardrobe space, the huge wardrobe space. Now, this is the balcony which gives you 3-side open view, toughened glass railing and with anti-skid tiles. Now about the washroom. So here comes the attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. So now, as you all know, we are here in Electronic City location. Have you checked another project in this location? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. Lastly, all the information of the project is provided in the I button. You do not have to go here and there. And do not forget to give a like and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.